Okay, so let us do this question now. Okay, I am solving it, and if you want to type the answer, you can type, all of you. Oh, those who got some answers. Okay, so let me explain first of all the question. Find out the following in electric circuit given in the figure. Effective resistance of two 8 ohm resistors in combination. So there are actually one circuit is given. A 8-volt battery is there. Then 4 ohm resistance is there. Then two 8 ohm resistances are connected in parallel, and one ammeter is connected here and another ammeter is connected here. Okay, so we have to find the effective resistance of 8 ohm resistors. Okay, मतलब सिर्फ इस रीजन का 8 और 8 दोनों पैरेलल में है, इसका हमको रेजिस्टेंस निकालना है. Okay, so
Ma'am, I have sent you the answers. Have you received?
yes, I got some answer. Okay, first part, Hardik, your first part is correct. Harin, your first part is wrong. Okay, so then okay, okay, Hardik, your answers are correct. And only 2 students have typed the answers. I am solving it, you can see here. सबसे पहले effective resistance of दोनों 8 ohm resistance का निकालना है. दोनों 8 ohm parallel में है. Okay, if two 8 ohms resistances are in parallel, अगर दोनों equal है तो Rp can be found by R upon N. ठीक है, R होता है 8, R जो भी रेजिस्टेंस है दोनों अगर इक्वल है तो, और कितने रेजिस्टेंसेस हैं 2, तो दैट कैन बी, दिस इज 4 ohm. If you don't know this formula, then one more formula we have, that usual formula 1 by Rp equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This we will use. So okay, Hardik, your all parts are correct. I have checked. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, that is equal to 8, and 1 plus 1 2. So 1 by Rp. So Rp equals to 8 by 2, that is equal to 4 ohm. Okay, so first part answer is 4 ohm. Okay, second part, current flowing through 4 ohm resistance. ठीक है, अब ये 8 ohm और ये 8 ohm दोनों मिला के 4 ohm बना रहे हैं कॉम्बिनेशन में. तो I can redraw the circuit for solving it again. I'll redraw the circuit this way. This is 8 volt. Okay, then this is 4 ohm, then this is 4 ohm. Okay, and I have to find current through this 4 ohm resistance. इसके अक्रॉस हमको करंट निकालना है. अब ये 4 ohm और ये 4 ohm दोनों सीरीज में है, तो सीरीज में क्या होता है, इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस इज फाउंड बाय RS इक्वल्स टू R1 प्लस R2. तो ये हो जाएगा 4 प्लस 4, दैट इज इक्वल टू 8 ohm. और हमको ये करंट निकालना है I इक्वल्स टू V बाय R. V है 8, R है 8, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 एम्पियर. ओके, so part answer of second part is 1 ampere. Answer of first part is 4 ohm. Okay, now third part, potential difference across 4 ohm resistance. अगर हमको करंट पता है 4 ohm resistance है, so potential difference can be found by V equals to I into R. Okay, current we have seen in second part, current is 1 ampere, resistance 4 ohm, so that will be 4 volt. This is the answer of third part. Fourth part, power dissipated power dissipated in 4 ohm resistance means power used by this 4 ohm resistor. Okay, so we know that power equals to I square R. अब current across 4 ohm is 1 ampere, resistance की value है 4, तो 1 into 4, that is equal to 4 watt. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ पार्ट. अब यहाँ पे देखो तो ये अमीटर, दिस अमीटर एंड दिस अमीटर आर बेसिकली मेजरिंग दिस करंट ओनली. ठीक है, एक ही करंट मेजर कर रहे हैं. ये सपोज करंट आई है, तो ये दोनों पैरेलल में है, तो ये I1 और I2 होगा, लेकिन ये यहाँ पे आके फिर से ऐड हो गया, ये I ही है, तो करंट थ्रू बोथ द एमीटर्स इज सेम ओनली. So our last part is difference in ammeter reading. So both the ammeters will be reading same current. So there is no difference. Reading, we can write this way, reading of ammeter A1 and A2 will be same. Okay. So this is all solution of this. Now please ask me doubt if you have any doubt in any of the part. किसी भी part में कोई doubt है तो please ask. Anybody any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No doubt. Okay.